This video will cover using edit shape nodes for text. To edit the shape of the text, first select the text, then click on Edit Shape Nodes. A node appears at the bottom of each letter, and the letters can be moved around on the screen as desired. This can be done as long as the text is still a text object. This is good to use for lettering that will be cut out with the cutwork tool, as this will make large lettering easier to fit within the hoop for cutting. With this type of file, it's not necessary that the letters all be aligned. Another way to move letters independently of one another is to select the text object, right-click, and select Convert to Curves. Right-click once more and select Break Apart. Deselect and select a letter, and the individual letters can now be moved when you get the move icon. However, they are no longer considered as text by the software. If you select one of the letters and click on Edit Shape Nodes, the letter has the individual nodes around the object, and they can be edited just like any other node can be edited.